Good morning, children. Jai Swaminarayan. Today we are continuing with lesson number 5, that is learning MS Excel 2010. Okay. Till now we saw about all the components of MS Excel 2010, like this is the quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon tab. This is called the ribbon. These are called the columns. These are the rows. A, B, C, D are columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 are rows. This is name box. This is the formula bar, right? So today we are going to start with further more topics like auto filter, right? Okay, let's see the auto filter tool. Okay, in auto filter, suppose I want to put the numberings from 1 to 50, right? So if I write 1, then I write 2, then I write 3, 4. So to 50, it will take a lot of time, right? A lot of time. So uski jagah pe I have one auto filter option. What is that? I'll show you. Write 1, write 2, and what? Just select 1 and 2 both and simply drag by clicking on the right side corner of the box. Simply drag it. आपको जितना चाहिए उतना drag करो and you will be able to have a numerous amount of cells with the numbers, right? Okay, if I select only, if I write only 1 and then I drag it, so only 1 will be typed like this. So 1111 type hoga. But if I want many numbers, what I'll have to do, at least two numbers, 1 and 2. 3 भी होगा तो भी चलेगा, 4 होगा तो भी चलेगा, but at least I will need two of the numbers, and then I'll be able to drag like this, right? So this is called the auto filter. Auto filter, it works with days of the weeks also. Like if I write Monday and if I simply drag Monday, I'll have the days of the weeks automatically. Same as with months of the year. If I write January and simply drag it, so what will happen? I'll be able to have months of the year like this. Correct? Okay. It's not necessary that it will start with Monday only or January only. If I write from June, if I write from June, June को select करके मैं करूँ तो June से आगे आएगा like this. Right? And same with the days of the week. If I start with Friday and I simply drag it, I'll be able to start the week from Friday. So this is called the autofill feature. Okay. Now let us jump towards the formula part. That is the last part of the lesson. Okay, let's see the formula part. Formula, that means if I want to do some addition or subtraction, multiplication, division, Excel sheet, it allows me to perform all those calculations using formula. As you use formula in maths, right? Maths में formulas use करते हो, same as it is. You'll be able to use formulas in MS Excel also. Let me show you. Let us write some numbers. Okay, suppose I want the total of this. मुझे इसका total चाहिए. So I'll not take the calculator and waste my time. I have a formula part in MS Excel. I have a feature, right? This is called the formula bar, as we saw in the starting of the lesson. Okay, so the formula will be automatically typed over here as I type the formula in any one of the cell. मुझे जहाँ पे भी इसका total चाहिए, I will select the cell. Suppose I want the total on this cell. So I'll select this cell and what I'll do? I'll click equal to sign, because each and every formula, it starts with equal to sign. Equal to sign से ही कोई भी formula start होगा. I have two ways to do the addition. I'll show the first way, that is the longest way, and then I'll show the second way, that is the shortest way. Let us see the longest way first. I'll put the equal to sign and then I'll put the round brackets. Right now we have three kinds of brackets. These are called the round brackets. then we have the square brackets and we have the curly brackets. But here in formula, we will use only the round brackets. I'll put the round brackets, select the first number, then from the keyboard, put the plus sign. Again, use your mouse, select the second number, use the keyboard, plus sign. Select, 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 plus sign. And then, then don't forget to close the bracket and press the enter key. And see, here is the total. Right, this is the longest way. Now I'll show you the shortest way. Shortest way के लिए क्या होगा? Suppose I want the total over here. So again, any of the formula, it starts with equal to sign. I'll press the equal to sign and then I will write SUM, sum. Sum means total, right? And I'll put the bracket, round bracket. Then I'll select all the numbers which I want to add. I have selected all the numbers and then I'll close the formula bar. Press enter key. This is how the total appears. This method is called auto sum method, right? Okay. Now this Excel does not only allows us to do addition but also multiplication, division, subtraction, also to find average, mean, median, mode, which you will study in your higher standards. You won't be able to know what is mean, median, mode and all those things. So today we'll learn only the four things, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Addition we already see. We have already seen the addition. Let us do the subtraction. Subtraction के लिए now we have different signs, right? प्लस के लिए यही प्लस साइन है, माइनस के लिए यही माइनस साइन है, बट फॉर मल्टीप्लीकेशन हम लोग मल्टीप्लीकेशन के लिए एक्स बनाते हैं ऐसा क्रॉस, बट हियर इन कंप्यूटर मल्टीप्लीकेशन दैट मीन्स asterisk sign, star wala sign, that is the multiplication sign for computer, and this slash will be the division sign for the computer, right? Let us do some sums on that. Okay, for that let us try. Suppose I am writing, let us do 12 multiplied by 2. Okay, suppose इसका आंसर मुझे यहाँ पे चाहिए. So what I'll do, simply all the formula starts with equal to sign. So I'll put the equal to sign first and then I'll select the term. Then multiplication करना है. Multiplication. Select the second term and press enter. So 12 twos are 24, right? Let us divide. Let us divide 12 divided by 2. So for that, equal to sign, select the term which you want to divide. Then division के लिए slash and then select the second number and press enter. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Understood? So this is how you divide and multiply, right? That's all for today, children. We'll continue with textbook part and notebook part in the next class.